So can you make money doing something you're passionate about? This is something that a lot of people talk about is, can you actually make money following your passions, or is it something that's not realistic? You should just focus on building a business for things that are in demand that you might not be passionate about, getting a job, whatever it might be. And in this video, I'm going to break down to you why I think you can totally monetize your passion and how to go about it. My name's Tim Armstrong. I appreciate you guys for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you like this video, smash that like button, share it out to your friends, and while you're here, you might as well subscribe. So, monetizing your passions. This is something that a lot of people talk about is if you want to make more money and you enjoy something, find a way to get paid for it. I was actually inspired to do this video based off of this tweet from Chris Johnson. As you can see, he lays out, what do you enjoy doing, and figure out a way to get paid for it. Now, you're probably thinking, well, Tim, yeah, I'm passionate about certain things, but what is the way? How do I go about, monetizing it? Well, there are a couple different ways to do it, and I think the best route to go is to do it online. Build an audience, number one, on social media. Social media is by far the best way I've found to connect with like-minded people, people who share interests as me. And it's when you build that audience up, whether you do it organically, you put in the work, you run ads to build up an audience, whatever it might be, that's the biggest thing that you have to do. Because when you build a loyal audience, people who love seeing your content, get to know you better, feel they actually know you, whether they live close to you, they've never met you before, but they just always come across your content. Whatever you have to offer them, and if they're interested in it too, they're going to buy from you. So that's probably the biggest thing, is build that audience up, build those relationships, build that community, because once you build that tribe and people enjoy seeing what you're doing and the content that you're sharing, then they're going to be like, what do you have to offer? And then if you don't know how to monetize your passion right away, probably the best way is to do it through affiliate marketing. You don't have to come up with the product yourself. You just find, whatever you're interested in. Like, let's say, for example, you're interested in, or stuff that you like talking about is finances. What you can do is you can become an affiliate. There's this thing called Gumroad where people create different courses, they put it out, and you can become an affiliate and go through their courses. If you like it, after you purchase it, you can grab an affiliate link on it. If you like talking about, sports and stuff like that, there's definitely ways to monetize it, like through a podcast, through YouTube videos of just, maybe you do fantasy draft kits. We're in football season. There's a lot of people out there who play fantasy football. They want insight, so it's, just put content out there. A good person that I like watching is Luke Beller, my good friend. He's got a channel. I'll link that in the description below. He does fantasy football, just talks about football, and I don't know how he's going to monetize it, when it is. That's something you guys have to ask him, but he's passionate about it and he's pursuing it. So that's the biggest thing that you guys have to realize, is you can pursue your passions and you can monetize it. And probably the best way to go about it, like I said, is number one, build that audience, gain that loyal following. And then number two, there's many different ways to go about it. You can do affiliate marketing. If you build up your social media platform big enough, you can be a influencer. There are people who are getting paid to travel, just getting paid by different companies to rep their brands, stuff like that. So there are a lot of different ways. It's 2020, guys. We have the internet. There's a lot of different ways that you can monetize your passion, and that's probably the best way to go about it, in my opinion. And if you want a couple of tips, I guess if you wanted to do it offline or you don't know how to figure it out, I would just say the best word is just get the word out in the community. Just say, hey, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm passionate about. Link up with, powerful leaders in the community and see how your product or service can provide value. And that's how you'll get people to, get to know about you, whether you're a painter, artist, like I said, just whatever you're passionate about, there's definitely a way to monetize it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what your guys' thoughts are on monetizing your passion. Can it be done? What do you think is holding most people back? I would love to hear from you guys, and I appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Much love.